Now, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Rao Indrajit Singh.
It's my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली की क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial 3 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Upendra Kushwaha.
आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज पटल पर रखता हूं।
Colonel Rajvardhan Singh Rathore.
I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 5 of today's revised list of business.
Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey.
सर, मैं अपने सहयोगी डॉक्टर महेंद्र नाथ पांडे जी के नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन पटल पर रखता हूं।
Statements by ministers. Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowda.
Chairman, sir, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 33rd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance on demands of grant 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation.
Thank you. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 279th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests on demands for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Department of Space. Thank you, sir.
हमारी नोटिस है और नोटिस में 2 डिमांड है। अगर हम लोगों का आप डिस्कशन डिमोनेटाइजेशन पे अगर डिस्कशन आप चाहते हैं तो 2 कंडीशन है। प्रधानमंत्री जी आए, दिन भर सदन में हम लोगों की बात सुने और सुनने के बाद प्रधानमंत्री
267 is admitted under no condition.
नहीं, ये मैंने
We cannot have any condition. No, please. No, 267.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir.
Yes.
Honorable ex-Prime Minister also would like to speak something.
No problem. Who is objecting to it? If he wants to speak, welcome. Who can object to his speaking? Yes. Yeah, please.
In continuation, the Honorable former Prime Minister is entitled to participate in that debate. But you can't say, I will hold up the debate, but give to the opposition a special opportunity to speak. That is something that is not acceptable. You can't devise a new procedure. Please continue the debate.
No, this is zero overtime.
I'm sorry, if there is no debate, nobody from the opposition is going to be allowed.
No, please. No, please. No, give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I will allow you. No, please. No, see. No, this is see, this is zero overtime. See, please. Now, the honorable Hello, this is zero overtime. This is zero overtime. That is the point.
This zero hour is a continuation. This 0 hour is an opportunity. You are not conducting the 0 hour in the normal manner of a 0 hour.
That is correct.
Because every day the 0 hour is being prevented. Members are being prevented from making mentions in the 0 hour. If it is on the demonetization issue, if it is on the currency issue, let the opposition resume the debate and let Dr. Manmohan Singh speak in that debate. We will answer it.
No. Yes.
Minister does not have the courage to face the House.
Yes. Wait, I allowed you. After that. Sharad Yadav, after Sharad Yadav. No, I will allow you. after him. It is zero. Now please, now the position, now please, the position is, the demonetization discussion is slated. Now please, what are you doing? No, you keep quiet. Are you keep quiet? I am asking you to keep quiet. I am asking you to keep quiet. I am asking you to keep quiet. Ask him to keep quiet. No, see the position is, now please, the position, keep quiet. The position is, the demon, then you come and here, do it. Okay. If you don't allow me to speak, what do I do? Let me clarify the position. Why don't you allow me to clarify the position? No. This is not the way. See, now please, the position is, demonetization discussion is slated after question hour. Now it is 0 over time. That is the position that I have to clarify. Now it is.
लेकिन जब 200 संसद
Yes.
जब नोटिस है,
Pardon?
नोटिस है पूरी कार्रवाई रोकने के लिए, फिर 0 आवर कैसे चल सकता है? नोटिस है पूरा, क्या नोटिस?
Notice, yes.
267
I will call you 0 hour.
267 नोटिस है, फिर कैसे?
No, that is what I first said.
नहीं चल रहा।
I will call you also.
267 के रहते कोई हाउस नहीं चल सकता।
Not here, 26. Okay, you want me to put 267 into?
I'm putting my 267.
I'm also putting my 267. Sir, I'm also putting my 267. Sir, I'm also putting my 267.
Now see, 267 notice by Shri Naresh Agarwal. Problems being faced by the people due to demonetization of rupees fine. Motion not drawn in proper terms. Therefore, I am not allowing. It is, therefore, no, yes, this is what I am given. Yes, point of order, please. Point of order.
Point of order is,
Now, point of order, please.
under 267, any member with the consent of the chair may move that a rule may be suspended in its application to a motion.
Yeah.
Now kindly turn to Rule 228. A motion must not raise a question substantially identical to the one on which the council has given a decision in the same session. So you already have a motion which is being discussed.
I reserved
in the
it
House,
already.
and therefore there can't be a repetition of the same motion raised under 267.
No, in any case, I disallowed it. I did not allow it. That motion I did not allow. No, even otherwise, technically I disallowed it.
Where the decision has been taken.
I tell you.
No decision taken. It's under discussion. There's no decision taken.
Mr.
He can raise it.
Mr. Echuri, I will allow you, I said, I will call you. Mr. Echuri, Mr. Agarwal ji, Naresh ji, I disallowed that motion on technical grounds. That motion is not drawn in proper form. Yes, Derek O'Brien. After Derek O'Brien, I called it. What is your point?
Sir,
I disallowed that motion already. So you cannot speak on that. You cannot speak on that. I disallowed it.
Sir, if you have disallowed, that is your call. The point here is, the former Prime Minister of this country has stood up. He wants to speak. Please take a
I
seat
allowed
in the
him.
House. Take a seat.
I allowed him. I allowed him.
Of the House.
I allowed him.
Take a sense of the House.
No,
Please take a sense of the House.
I allowed him.
Take a sense.
He can speak.
Take a sense of the House.
No.
Ask the leaders.
No, Sri, Mr.
Sir, take a sense. Yes, sir. Right, sir. I agree.
I allowed him.
Take a sense of the House.
I allowed. No, Mr. Yes. Yeah. It being 0 over, I allowed him. I have not prevented him. I allowed. I said it is 0 over, so I allowed.
House is opposing.
I allowed. I called him. I called him. He is sitting only.
Call him.
I did that.
Call him.
Already I did. Should I do a second time?
Call him.
Should I do a second time? No, see, it is 0 over, so I allowed him. He can speak. He can speak. I have no problem. It is 0. Yes, it is 0 over. I allowed him. He can speak. अरे बोल सकते हैं, बोलने बोलो, मैं क्या करूं? या, अरे बुलाया आगे. I allowed him. He can go. He can speak. He can speak. अरे allow कर दिया है. I am not preventing him. I am not preventing him.
सर हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, आप डिस्कशन जो अभी बचा हुआ है वो अभी से शुरू कर दीजिए और
I am ready.
पार्टी अपनी तरफ से जिसको भी बोलना
या क्या?
जिसको भी कहना चाहे
अभी शुरू करने के लिए मैं तैयार हूँ.
मनमोहन सिंह जी का इज्जत करते
We can have discussion now. Okay.
शुरू करिए.
Okay.
हमें जिसको चाहिए बुलवाइए आप. हमें कोई
No.
नहीं है.
Yes.
I have a request.
Yeah.
I have a request to the entire house. Sir, I have a request to the entire house.
Yeah. Please.
Sir, I also have some experience in
Please,
parliament.
please.
I also have some experience.
No, please.
Yes.
Yeah. No, listen to the minister. Arey, listen to the minister.
I am not speaking.
Arey, listen to the minister.
speaking.
Sit down, sit down.
I am not speaking, sir.
बोलिए,
I am
बोलिए.
only asking you.
Yeah.
The country want to know. Through the chair, the country want to know. We have taken up a discussion. Discussion is halfway through. Why we are now not taking up the discussion? There is a question.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Outside the country.
I am also ready for discussion. Yeah.
Citizens
Yeah.
when they go to our.
See,
Yesterday, where we wasting the time of the house?
I think it is a.
Where are we?
No,
Where are
I-
we going here for the debate?
No, I think it.
Discussing.
See,
Please, sir, explain, sir. Please tell the country.
I think. See, yes, I think it is a good suggestion that we start the discussion now and Dr. Manmohan Singh speak now. Dr. Manmohan Singh speaking now. Yes, point of order. Sir. I have allowed Dr. Manmohan Singh to speak. I have not prevented. Then what is the problem?
Sir, I am on a point of
He can speak. I have not. I called him.
Sir. Why are they afraid of Dr. Manmohan Singh?
That is not the question to me. You ask you.
That's what I'm asking through you.
Why should? He can speak. I have no objection.
Sir,
I have allowed Dr. Manmohan Singh to speak. He can speak. Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad.
sir, we have given.
Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. I have allowed Dr. Manmohan Singh to speak. He can speak. I have no problem. It is your over.
They are not allowing it.
Then I will have to adjourn the house.
They will be exposed.
I will have to adjourn the house.
Point of order.
What is your point of order?
Sir, my point of order.
Yes, what is your point of order?
Under Rule 187 and
What is under what rule?
Rule 188. That is the privilege notice against the Prime Minister for the breach of privilege of this House by the Prime Minister who has taken oath under the Constitution when a discussion was started on a decision taken by him after the President had summoned the Parliament and a subject matter which is exclusively the domain of the Finance Minister. It was his duty to respect the privilege of this House once the motion was accepted under Rule 267 and 228. Sir,
No, the
we have
subject.
given a notice against
Subject.
the Prime Minister
Subject.
of the breach of privilege. It is the first
No,
time.
privilege is a different matter. Subject is finance ministry subject. Finance minister is here.
Otherwise,
You can share discussion. No.
let the sense of the House be taken.
You see, no, you are not
Let the
right.
Prime Minister come here.
No.
He's running away from the
See, the
debate, sir.
point-
I'm sorry.
have,
does not want to
no,
discuss.
Anil Sharma, I have yesterday itself clarified, no please, yesterday itself, I have clarified, no please, Viplavji, please, yesterday itself I have clarified that this subject is finance ministry subject, and finance, I can ask the finance minister, he is already here. So you cannot make it a condition that you will start only if the prime minister comes. I can't do that. I can't do that. I am not able to enforce that. I am not able to enforce that. I will have to adjourn.
Announcement was made by the Prime Minister, not the Finance Minister.
That is a different matter. The chair is of no concern. That is not the concern of the chair.
That is the point, sir.
Yes, but that is not the concern of the chair.
No, I know. it's not your concern.
Chair is only to see that whether the concerned minister is there or not.
Correct.
That is only my concern.
It is my
What can I do?
concern. It's my concern.
No,
I'm appealing to you.
Sorry, I will adjourn the house. I think I will adjourn. The only way is to adjourn. I am helpless. I have already said.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, पूरा विपक्ष एक मत है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी हाउस में आए और तब इसके ऊपर डिबेट शुरू होगी और उनको पूरे समय तक बैठना
लेकिन जी मैं क्या करूं?
सदस्यों की बात सुननी चाहिए।
मैं क्या करूं?
उनको जवाब देना चाहिए। प्रधानमंत्री क्यों भाग रहे हैं?
मैं क्या करूं? कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
और तब ये डिबेट शुरू होनी चाहिए।
House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours.